Hello everyone, this is Kevin Welch here to bring you a crucial update for English 112. And in fact, you should check this in all of your other courses like English 111, 025, and so forth. In Blackboard, we used to have this icon or this option to set the course entry quiz so that students couldn't take anything else until they had taken that quiz. We need to do the same thing in Canvas for accurate attendance and accurate FTE, but it's a little bit more complex in Canvas. In my 112, had already set all the modules to have a prerequisite for the course entry quiz here. However, there are some other steps that are needed. So what are those steps? Go to the course entry quiz module, not the quiz itself, but to the module with the three buttons, or the three dots. Click on it and click on Edit. We need the course entry quiz to be a requirement for those modules. So we go to Add Requirement, and we're going to choose Complete One. And in the content, we want them to complete the course entry quiz. So click the drop-down option and choose Course Entry Quiz. Click on that. And we don't just want them to view the course entry quiz, we need them to complete it. So we're going to have score at least, and then write 10 out of 100. Okay? So they got to complete one thing, and that is the course entry quiz. They need to score at least 10 out of 100. Click Save. And now you want to click Relock Modules. And there it is. Look, we now have this complete one item here. What's the item they got to complete? The course entry quiz, and they have to score at least a 10 on it. Okay? Now it's this plus the prerequisite for the modules that makes it possible for the students to only take the course entry quiz first, to not be able to take any other quiz or assignment that's in those later modules first. Now, let's say, though, that you're in a different course, or maybe you had some issue, and you have a module that doesn't have the prerequisite. How do you set that? Well, you click on the three dots, choose Edit. This time we want to set the module to have a prerequisite. So we choose plus prerequisite, and we choose course entry quiz from our drop-down list. And we click Save, relock the modules, and check it out. Module 2 now has a prerequisite, the course entry quiz. So again, it's the combination of the two things. There has to be the completed requirement, and you have to set that requirement to be the course entry quiz with a score of at least 10, and the prerequisite for the modules that makes it so that students cannot access the later material before they complete that course entry quiz. So go into all your courses, 112, 111, 025, whatever. Make sure that your Canvas courses are all compliant. And if you have any questions, please email me at welchk@faytechcc.edu. Thank you.